Hi viewers, in this video we will see how we can download, install and activate Autodesk Inventor 2019. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to your Explorer and open Google and search Autodesk Inventor 2019 free download. So in the search results you have to go to the second link, which is free software for students and educators. So just click on this link. So now you are in the Autodesk website. So first of all we have to see the system requirements of this software so that you can run it on your laptop or desktop, whichever you have. So since we are going to install 2019, so let's see the system requirements. So first of all the operating system has to be 64-bit. It will not run on 32-bit. The CPU should be 3 gigahertz or greater. It should have 4 more cores. The memory, the RAM should be 20 GB. Minimum is 8 GB. These are the requirements of graphics. Let me just remind you that it will work on 4 GB laptop or computer as well. So these are some of the recommendations, or you can say the system requirements for Apple laptops or desktops. So once again the RAM is 16 GB recommended, 8 GB is the minimum, but you can run it on 4 GB. The partition size should be 500 GB. Okay, so in order to download this software, first of all you have to create an account on Autodesk. So first of all you have to select your country. Since mine country is Pakistan, so I selected in Pakistan. Now you have to select your educational role. So if you're a student, select student, otherwise you can select educator. Then you have to plug in your date of birth. Click next. So now you have to plug in, you have to write your first name, your last name, your email ID. Then you have to confirm your email ID. You have to plug in your password. Then you have to click on this I agree button. I think there is something wrong with the email address, so it's fine. So click on the create account button. Your settings are saving now. So you will receive an email from Autodesk. You just have to open the email and verify your email address. So once again you are on the Autodesk website, click check and then redirecting. So now you have to input your educational institution. So if your institution is not there, you don't have to be worried. You can type can't find your educational institution. So once again you have to type your institution name. Then you have to type the city name, state name. The country name is already there because you input it in the previous settings. Click add. You have to select the area of study. Then you have to select the enrollment dates, your graduation dates. After that we have to click next button. So now your account is almost done. Just click continue. So now you are good to go. Now you can download the Autodesk Inventor setup. So we are once again on the same page. We have to click download now, and then we have to select the version. So 2019 we want Windows 64-bit. Language you can download it in different languages, but we prefer English. So these are the details: the serial number, product key and the file size. So please save these details with yourself, and Autodesk also email these details to your email address which you provided during the initial account setup. So now you have to click the install now button. We have different options. In this video we will install it using install now option. The other options we will discuss in some other video. So in this install now option we will start the installation. So this is a small file which is downloaded. This file will guide you and help you to download and install different modules of Inventor 2019. So I just fast forward this installation process. It will run on its own. You have to make sure that the internet is working during the downloading and installing of the software, otherwise you will get error message and your installation will not be completed. So you can see that there are 30 modules which need to be installed, which includes the tutorials as well. So it will take some time because the setup is I think 12 GB and it will take some time to download and install simultaneously. All of the modules are installing one by one. You can see how many modules are left in this one. At this point of time you can see that there are 10 modules, now 9 modules which need to be downloaded and installed. So it's a bit time consuming process, but the good thing is that you don't have to do anything. It will run on its own. Only thing which you need to provide it is a good internet connection and maybe a good battery and the charger plugged in. So now it's already installed. You can see these are the components which are installed. So if you have any other Autodesk product installed on your laptop, then some of these components will be installed in the previous installation, and the installation of Inventor 2019 will take less time. So now let's open the software. So you have to restart your PC, but I think we will do it later on. So now Autodesk Inventor 2019 is already installed. Now you just have to open it up. Okay, so this is Autodesk Inventor Professional 2019. So we will open and see whether it's properly installed and activated or not. So you have to click on the I agree button. So the first time when you open this software, it will take some time because it's checking the license, it's checking everything is installed, and then it will open the software. So you have to be patient. So okay, so now this is open. So this is the initial interface of the software. So this is my great custom settings. You can just close it up. There is no need to do it at this point of time. So you can go to the tutorial gallery, where we have different tutorials provided by the Autodesk, so that you can have a head start. You can know the interface. You can start learning Autodesk Inventor. So its tutorials are really good. You can download a lot of tutorials and you can do it very easily. Each tutorials are provided in parts, and for each part a video is also given so that you can follow the steps easily. So you can see that there are a lot of tutorials which you can see and then apply to learn new commands and the things which you need to learn. So what you have to do, you just have to double click and then it will guide you what tutorial is it and what you will learn in this tutorial. So I think that's it. Thank you very much.